The history of dinosaurs is a complex and fascinating one, stretching over a period. In this article, we will explore the timeline of dinosaurs, their way of life, and their ultimate demise. Timeline of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are believed to have lived during the Mesozoic era, which lasted from approximately 252 million years ago to 66 million years ago. The Mesozoic era is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. The dinosaurs first appeared during the Triassic period and disappeared at the end of the Cretaceous period. Triassic period, 252 to 201 million years ago. During the Triassic period, the Earth was recovering from the devastating Permian-Triassic extinction event, which wiped out about 96% of all marine species and 70% of all land species. The climate was generally hot and dry, with large areas of desert and scrubland. The first dinosaurs evolved during this period, along with other reptilian groups such as crocodiles and turtles. Jurassic Period, 201 to 145 million years ago. The Jurassic period was marked by a much wetter and more temperate climate than the Triassic. Forests of conifers and ferns covered much of the land, and there were extensive shallow seas. Dinosaurs diversified during this period, and many of the famous Jurassic dinosaurs such as the sauropods, long-necked dinosaurs, and theropods, meat-eating dinosaurs, evolved. Cretaceous Period, 145 to 66 million years ago. The Cretaceous period saw a continuation of the warm, wet climate of the Jurassic. The world was also witnessing the rise of flowering plants, which allowed for the evolution of new types of herbivorous dinosaurs. This period also saw the evolution of the largest land animals to ever exist, such as Argentinosaurus and the famous Tyrannosaurus rex. However, at the end of the Cretaceous period, a catastrophic event occurred that would lead to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs Way of Life. Dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that lived on land. They came in all shapes and sizes, from small, agile predators like Velociraptor to massive, lumbering herbivores like Argentinosaurus. One thing that all dinosaurs had in common was their anatomy, which was adapted for a terrestrial lifestyle. Skeletal Adaptations. Dinosaurs had a number of skeletal adaptations that allowed them to move on land. One of the most important of these was the development of a hip socket that allowed for the attachment of strong leg muscles. This, in turn, allowed for more efficient walking and running. Dinosaurs also had an S-shaped neck that helped them to balance their heads, which were often large and heavy. Dietary Adaptations. Dinosaurs were an incredibly diverse group when it came to their diets. Some, like the sauropods, were herbivores that ate mainly plants. Others, like the theropods, were carnivores that preyed on other animals. Still, others were omnivores that ate both plants and animals. Some dinosaurs had specialized teeth adapted for cutting or grinding plant material, while others had sharp, serrated teeth for tearing flesh. Social behavior. Dinosaurs are often depicted as solitary creatures, but in reality, many of them lived in groups. For example, many ornithopods, herbivorous dinosaurs, are believed to have lived in herds, which may have provided protection against predators. Some theropods, such as Velociraptor, are believed to have hunted in packs, which would have allowed them to take down larger prey. Reproduction. Dinosaurs laid eggs, like many other reptiles, but their eggs were unique in some ways. They were generally larger than reptile eggs, and many of them had a hard, calcified shell. Some dinosaurs, such as Maiasaura, are believed to have engaged in parental care, which means that they took care of their young after they hatched. The end of the dinosaurs. The end of the Cretaceous period saw a catastrophic event that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. This event is known as the Cretaceous Paleogene (KPG) extinction event, and it occurred about 66 million years ago. The cause of this event is still debated among scientists, but the most widely accepted theory is that a large asteroid struck the Earth, causing a global climate change that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Impact of the asteroid. The asteroid impact was a catastrophic event that had a profound impact on the Earth's environment. It caused widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and a massive dust cloud that blocked out the sun. This dust cloud caused a global cooling effect that lasted for several years, leading to a reduction in photosynthesis and the death of many plant species. This, in turn, had a cascading effect on the food chain, leading to the extinction of many animal species, including the dinosaurs. Survival of some species. Although the dinosaurs were largely wiped out by the KPG extinction event, some species did survive. These were primarily small, bird-like dinosaurs that were able to adapt to the new environmental conditions. Over time, these dinosaurs evolved into the birds that we know today. In conclusion, dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that lived on Earth for millions of years. They evolved during the Triassic Period, diversified during the Jurassic Period, and reached their peak during the Cretaceous Period. They had a variety of adaptations that allowed them to move on land, and they came in many different shapes and sizes. Unfortunately, their reign on Earth came to an end during the KPG extinction event, which was caused by a catastrophic asteroid impact. However, some dinosaur species did survive, and they eventually evolved into the birds that we see today. The study of dinosaurs continues to captivate scientists and the public alike, and there is still much to be learned about these fascinating creatures.